got an old toilet stopped flushing and the membrane's gone, you could go and buy one, or you could use a bit of thick plastic pond liner or damp proof membrane. So it just pulls out, pull that apart. That's just a thin bit of rubber. Moment of truth. Let's see how much that leaks. Alright. There we go. Job done. Saving about, I don't know, save me a couple of quid, and now for an hour or an hour driving down to the plumber's, waiting in the queue. So, I'll that away now. I've got to get some luxury toilet roll from Aldi, and the nice people at Aldi explain how to use their toilet roll. I don't know if you noticed on their packet, but it's really useful information, so I'll just show you. So I bought the best quality premium 3-ply toilet tissue from Aldi, and if you value your hygiene, you might want to follow their instructions. So always wipe from front to back using 2 or 3 sheets with each wipe. And to feel cleaner, use 1 or 2 soft, fresh, fragrance-free, flushable wipes. Okay, and use toilet tissue to gently dry, and of course always complete your routine by washing your hands. And that's you might want to remember that.